Hey everyone, and welcome back. My name is David Kastner. I'm a member of the union's executive board, and I'm also on the negotiation team. Today we're talking about a situation that can make even the most seasoned employee's heart skip a beat. You're at work, minding your own business, and your supervisor walks up and says those six dreaded words.
Can I see you in my office?
Suddenly, you feel like you're in the principal's office all over again. Your brain is racing. Is this about that thing last Tuesday? What did Janet say I did? Or did they find out I took the last donut? Before you know it, you're sitting in a closed room being asked a bunch of pointed questions, and you feel totally alone. But what if I told you there's a simple, powerful phrase that acts like your own personal superhero shield in that moment? Well, there is, and it's called your Weingarten rights. But what are they really? Don't let the fancy name intimidate you. The logic is incredibly simple. Weingarten rights give you, a union member, the right to have a union representative present during any investigatory interview that you reasonably believe could lead to disciplinary action. Let's break that down. What's an investigatory interview? It's not your boss asking you to make copies or talking about yesterday's game. It's a meeting where management is trying to investigate something. They're asking you questions to get information that could be used against you. How do you know you're in one? Trust your gut. If the questions shift from casual to specific and accusatory, your spidey senses should be tingling. Here are some examples. Bad. Why were you in the supply closet after hours? Worse. Steve said he saw you leaving the area right before the equipment went missing. What do you have to say about that? When you get that uh-oh feeling, it's time to activate your superpower. And what is that magical phrase? It's not abracadabra. It's even easier. You just need to calmly and clearly say, I request union representation. That's it. You don't have to be aggressive. You don't have to argue. You just have to say those words. You have to ask for it. Management isn't required to read you your mind or offer it to you. Once you say that phrase, the entire dynamic of the meeting changes. Management now has three legal choices. They can pause the meeting and wait for your union suited or representative to arrive. They can call off the interview entirely and try to continue their investigation without your statement. Or they can offer you the choice of continuing the meeting without a representative or ending it. Hint, you should choose to end it and wait for your rep. What they can't do is punish you for asking or try to bully you into continuing the interview alone. Why you should never go it alone. You know, my father-in-law is a criminal defense attorney, and his number one rule for his clients is simple. Never talk without your advocate in the room. Why would we treat our workplace rights any differently? It's about making sure the process is fair and that management doesn't hold all the cards. Fairness and due process matter. Think of your union representative as your co-pilot. They're not there to be a potted plant in the corner. Your rep is there to be a witness to what is said and how you're treated, help you stay calm and focused, prevent management from using intimidating or confusing tactics, and ask for clarification on questions so you don't accidentally say something that can be twisted later. Going into an investigatory interview alone is like trying to fix your own plumbing with no tools or experience. You might get lucky, but there's a good chance you'll make a huge mess. Don't wing it. Weingarten it. So let's recap. If you're ever called into a meeting that feels like it could lead to discipline, 1. Don't panic. 2. Calmly and clearly say the magic words. I request union representation. 3. Wait for your co-pilot to arrive. It's one of the most important rights you have as a union member. Know it, remember it, and never be afraid to use it. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more, or you can send me an email if you have any questions or comments. Until next time, stay informed and stay strong.